Hi students, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to see what all law subjects are included as a part of your Karnataka Judiciary syllabus. In all the judiciary examinations across India, law subjects are a major part of the entire syllabus. But what subjects are included in a certain state might not be included in another state. Whatever state you might be targeting at, you need to have a clear idea on syllabus of that specific state. Today's video is a dedicated one for students preparing for Karnataka Judiciary. But even if you are preparing for some other states, you might find some value out of this video. So let's get started. Talking about the examination pattern, judiciary is conducted in 3 different levels: prelims, mains, and then personal interview. For personal interview, as such, you don't have a syllabus. The interviewer may ask you questions from a range of different areas. I have also covered how you can prepare for latest legal updates, latest judgments, and all that for your personal interview, and you can find a link for that video in the description box below. If you talk about prelims and mains, there are total 10 law subjects which are included in Karnataka Judiciary syllabus. The moment you decide to start preparing for the examination, do not think only from the point of view of prelims or mains. Start preparing as a whole. You need to consider prelims, mains plus interview. Then only you will be able to complete everything on time. So first step that you need to do is download the syllabus for Karnataka Judiciary examination. After that, you can make a list of all the law subjects that are included there. Here I have prepared a list for your convenience. As I mentioned, there are total of 10 subjects. If you talk about prelims, it's divided in 2 parts. Part A, where you have subjects like CPC, Negotiable Instruments Act, Transfer of Property Act, Indian Contract Act, Specific Relief Act, Indian Constitution, and Karnataka Rent Act, which is a local legislation for Karnataka. There are 7 subjects in Part 1. And when you talk about Part 2, there are 3 subjects: CRPC, IPC, and Indian Evidence Act. So these are the 10 subjects which are included in your prelims. Now when you talk about mains, there you have general knowledge, then translation from Kannada to English, English to Kannada. But when you talk about law papers included in mains, there are 4 papers which are included, and these are nothing but repetition from prelims exam only, like CPC, CRPC, Indian Evidence Act, and Constitution of India. These are 4 subjects that are already included as part of your prelims examination. So this is how you can prepare a list that there are total 10 subjects. Out of these, 4 subjects are included both for prelims as well as mains. So when you are preparing for your examination, maybe you are making your notes, you need to keep this thing in mind that in mains, you will have subjective type questions. So you need to start your preparations in that direction only. Do not just end your preparation only with the sections, articles, or maybe case laws. You need to dig a bit and you need to study the topics properly, because you need to prepare them for your mains, where you need to answer subjective type questions as well. Another thing which will help you a lot in your preparation is you can try to analyze some previous year question papers to see if out of these 10 subjects there are any subject which is carrying more weightage, which is having more marks in it, because you need to give more attention to that subject in that ways. Definitely you cannot skip any of these 5 subjects, but then if some subject is carrying more marks, you need to pay more attention over there. Like in case you talk about Negotiable Instruments Act or Specific Relief Act, definitely they would carry less weightage as compared to main subjects like CPC, CRPC, Evidence, IPC, Constitution, etc. So this thing also you can analyze so that you can prepare in that direction. As a law student, we all had our favorite subjects and not so favorite subjects. So from this list of 10 subjects also, you need to figure out which all subjects you like the most, which all subjects you have mostly forgotten. You need to pay more attention there. Having that thing clear in your mind will also help you prepare your timetable accordingly. If there are some subjects where you are already very good at, you know the cases, you know the sections and stuff, maybe you can pay less attention there. But if there are subjects which are completely new for you, maybe negotiable instrument act or specific relief act, or might be Karnataka rent act, in that case you need to devote some time in learning those subjects as well. Another thing that you can analyze about yourself is, where are you good at? Are you good in remembering sections or articles? Are you good in latest cases? Or you are good in landmark cases? Or might be you are just good in remembering certain facts. You need to consider that also, so that you know what are your weak points, what are your limitations, and you need to work on those limitations as well. Next thing that you need to consider before you start your preparations is, how are you going to prepare? Is it you are going to prepare notes all by yourself? Is it that you are going to refer some textbooks? Is it that you are going to rely simply on a guidebook? You need to decide on those lines as well. I have also made a completely dedicated video on whether to make digital notes or you should prefer writing your own notes. You can check out that video also. Link will be updated in the description box below. Once you have got answers for all these questions, you can start planning your strategy and you can start with your preparation. Judiciary is not that tough to prepare because we have already studied all these subjects in our LLB course. But in case you are looking for some guidance, you can join my course, and for all that details you can WhatsApp me on this given number. I'm providing guidance for judiciary and other law examinations since 2016, back when I completed my masters. So I definitely hope you will be benefited if you join the well-designed, proper planned courses on my platform. And that's all for today's video. Until next time, bye-bye.